So here's the setup for XRF. I have this X-ray tube. It's capable of going up to 180, 160,000 volt, but only take it to about 40,000. It has a rotating anode, as you can hear. And here's the X-ray output. So I put this collimator here with a pinhole for the X-ray to come out only from this tiny little hole, about 2 millimeters wide. Facing it here, we have the detector. So this is an X-ray detector. It doesn't detect anything if there's no sample here. So once I turn it on, we can put a sample here, and we'll have our XRF. This is powered by this little device for the cathode. So this generates somewhere around 3 volts and about 3 amps, and a high voltage right here. So Glassman is a 40,000 volt, maybe about 6 milliamps. But I don't take it quite this high. I only get about maybe a half a milliamps. I'm not trying to get crazy with the X-rays. I'm gonna put a sample of lead. This is just a chunk of lead. So I'm gonna put it right here in front of the pinhole detector, and let's see if we can get the spectrum for lead. So we're back here. We're gonna try to see those 2 peaks right here for lead. Should be about 1056 and 1241. So let's see if we can see those 2 peaks right here. We're ready here. I'm gonna get started with the acquisition and kick in the X-ray right here, and we should see 2 peaks immediately. That's it. We can stop it, and immediately we can see these 2 peaks right here. So we have this one. I already calibrated this. And it gives us 1018, and the second one about 1225. So that's pretty good. It's not too far from where it should be at 1261 and 1055. So 1225 and 1027. That's pretty good. So this is lead. This nice piece of antimony. We should have 2 peaks at 2636 and 29. So here they are. We have 26 right here. So if I can get on it, 25, closer to 26, 23. So this is pretty good for 2636. And also the second one, that should be around 2972, and we have 2965. So this is a nice chunk of antimony. I also had for my element collection, this chunk of yttrium, but I could never be sure it was actually yttrium. It seems a little large for the price I pay for it. And now's a good opportunity to verify the authenticity of this element. So if we can confirm this is indeed yttrium, we should have on the XRF a peak for the K alpha at about 1496, and a smaller one for the K beta at about 1674. So we can try to verify this right now. Start acquisition. Here comes the X-rays, and we have our 2 peaks right here. So this gives us roughly around 1464, 1482, which is pretty good compared to the 1496, and the smaller one for the K beta at about 1662, which should be a 1674. So we have confirmed that it is indeed yttrium. I hope you enjoyed this X-ray fluorescence presentation. Let me know in a comment what you think. I might create a library of as many elements as possible and upload them as I go. Anyway, thanks for watching.